Good evening, everyone. Curtis from A1 Detailing. Our next project on deck is a Toyota Corolla. We've got one here that's been kicking about and picking up a little bit of dirt and debris here and there since 2012. It hasn't had much attention in terms of detailing or interior reconditioning, so we're going to get these little spots all cleaned up nicely, get these dirty old tired seats freshened up, put a little bit of life back into them, and go from there. We're going to steam clean and shampoo in here, get in all them little nooks and crannies and crevices that we're known for. We're going to have to come up with a catchphrase. Nonetheless, I just want you folks to see what we're starting with and where we're going to end. Somebody had a puppy in here, I think. Lots of hairs. Well, we'll get rid of those. And we're going to do this trunk too. Get that all tidied up nice. Well, somebody left their motorcycle. I guess they were wondering where it is. Now they know. So we'll get in here. These little nooks and crannies all looked after. Ooh, look what's snuck in there. Dirt. Well, that just won't do. Okay, everybody, stay tuned. We'll be back in a little while.